So I just recently started resetting the house on Friday instead of Saturday so I can feel like I am getting more out of my weekend. So I'm just tidying up my room a little bit.
But don't you forget it, if the person you fell forever do for reasons, it's only because you ain't here.
Grey's Anatomy is by far one of my favorite comfort shows, so it's always going to be on somewhere in the background in the house just playing, and I will watch here and there.
You're AK, right? April Kepner? No, this is Alex Crib.
Okay, now that I got that out of the way, time to kick back and relax just a little bit.
Oh, there's ice till you can near. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears. It's true, you could make.
Sit down, Ben. Ben, sit. Ben, sit down. Ben, sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit down, Ben. Benz is shedding his winter coat, and I got tired of sweeping the floor every 2 seconds, so I decided to go out on the balcony and give Benz a good brush. And this particular, I don't know if you want to call it a brush or whatever, it's specifically made to get the hair off, so it helps with the shedding process. Look at all this hair, y'all. After all of that work, I wanted to wind down. So I took a shower, put on some comfy clothes, and I headed straight to the park. My favorite park combo is pizza and Prosecco. What's yours? Cheers, buds. I'm like, all right, pick me up.
Oh, there's ice till you can near. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't burn how it appears.
I got Prosecco in the. Look at, we both. I got it. Boo, boo, boo. Oh! The gays and the days.
It's true, you could make me melt, but don't you forget it, if the person you fell forever do for reasons, it's only because you ain't here. I can't feel it in the air, my cold sweat dripping everywhere. I'm all wet, I don't even care.
course, I'm not leaving without touching a little ground first.
As ice till you came near. You're like another fire-breathing creature, but it don't